So my formula, in summary, is be consistent, have good quality content. Over those two, sprinkle a little patience, because you do have to be patient on YouTube, and that will give you relevancy. And relevancy is the key. Do not post a video about taking your dog to the beach last weekend if your channel is about how to plumb a toilet. Because the people who want to know how to plumb a toilet don't give two hoots about you taking your dog to the beach at the weekend. So never do that. It is a channel killer. It will lose you views. It will confuse the algorithm. It will lose you subscribers. It is YouTube suicide. Do not do that. Keep it relevant. So consistency, quality content, a little bit of patience, you will get relevancy. So hopefully those 5 habits are something you think that you can do fairly easily. There's lots of different things you can do, but I wanted to keep it fairly simple, something fairly easy for you to remember to do, and something that's not going to impinge a whole amount of time or you have to think about it because it's technical. You can do those things fairly simply and get into those habits. I mean, what do they say? It's 21 days, I think, to form a habit. So over the next 3 weeks of doing YouTube videos, do those things and it'll just become part of your daily routine. So if you did enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up. If you've not yet subscribed, please do, because there's going to be lots more content like this. So if you did enjoy it, then subscribe and ding that bell to make sure that you get notification. And I release videos at least once a week. All right, well, have a really, really good week, and I'll see you on the next one.